This guide will show you how to delete and deactivate Facebook account on iPhone or iPad step by step. Part 1. What to do before deleting a Facebook account on iPhone. Before deleting your account, consider these points to avoid data loss. 1. Deactivate vs. Delete. Deactivate temporarily disables your account, preserving your data. You can reactivate it anytime. Delete permanently removes all your data posts, photos, messages, and cannot be recovered. 2. Backup important data. If you're deleting your account, download a backup of essential data like photos, videos, and messages to prevent loss. Part 2. How to delete Facebook account on iPhone. Here are 2 methods to delete your Facebook account: through Accounts Center and through your Facebook settings. 2.1. How to delete Facebook account on iPhone through Accounts Center. Step 1. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of Facebook. Step 2. Choose Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Step 3. In the top left corner of your screen, select Accounts Center. Step 4. Under Account Settings, click Personal Details. Step 5. Select Account, Ownership and Control. Step 6. Click Deactivation or Deletion. Step 7. Choose the account or profile you want to delete. Step 8. Select Delete Account. Step 9. Click Continue and follow the prompts to confirm. 2.2. How to delete Facebook account on iPhone through Facebook settings. If you can't delete your account through Accounts Center, you can delete your account through your Facebook settings. Step 1. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of Facebook. Step 2. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Step 3. Go to your Facebook information. Step 4. Click Deactivation and Deletion. Step 5. Choose Delete Account, then click Continue to Account Deletion. Step 6. Click Delete Account, enter your password, and then click Continue. Note, if you request to delete your account and it's been less than 30 days, you can cancel the deletion. After 30 days, your account and all its data will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to recover any of your information. Part 3. How to deactivate Facebook account on iPhone. Deactivation is a safer, reversible option. If you're not ready to delete your account, when you deactivate your Facebook account, your profile becomes invisible to others, but your data remains stored. You can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Select Settings and Privacy, tap Personal Details. Step 3. Then, tap Account, Ownership and Control. Step 4. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion and choose the account you want to deactivate. Step 5. Select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Step 6. Enter your Facebook password, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deactivation.